of the strengths of Liberia that you would say?
Well, I think the fact that a lot of Liberians have hope. They have been through a lot of trials and tribulations through the 14-year Civil War, but they have that hope to keep them going. So with that, they can use that to move to take them anywhere. I guess it's the hope that gives them the strength to live from day to day, because they still do have problems. So, yeah.
And what would you say some of the major issues in the country are as of right now?
Poverty and lack of education. The illiteracy rate is so high. It's at least 75%. So because of that leads to poverty. Over 80% of the country lives in poverty. To the extent where over 50% of the country can afford a US dollar a day to eat. That's how bad it is.
Since the war, I left from Liberia and I came to the United States in 2006. And I went back this year, April. And when I went back, it's not the same country that I left in 1998. It's far improved than what I left, and I'm very, very impressed of what is happening. And the youth of Liberia are really doing what they're supposed to do, and especially the ones that if all the ones that in the United States do what, the ones that there will be ready, be better.
A lot of African countries don't offer free high school or elementary school tuition, and so for the most part families have to pay for their children to go to school, which is very, very difficult because a lot of times these families live in poverty, and so they can't afford to send their children to school, which ends, the result is a lot of kids end up being out of school. And so you'd be surprised at how little it takes to send a child to school. For me, it only took about $150 a semester to pay for this young man's education. That's basically nothing for us here. That's like giving up Starbucks for a week or giving up a pair of shoes or whatever. And so, anyone can impact a life. It really doesn't take a whole lot, especially in developing countries like Liberia or post-conflict countries that are rebuilding from a war, where the poverty rates are so low that it really takes very, very little to impact a life. So I really encourage people to find ways to see how they can give back, especially in the area of education, which is really, really important for future generations. And so just something as small as sponsoring a young child to go to school can make a world of difference.
And my final question, what would you say keeps you going? Like, what keeps you motivated and keeps you, really on top of your game, really caring about people? Because, you live here. Like, some people might think, you're past that. You don't have to worry about what's going on in Liberia. But, what makes you different?
I always knew that I wanted to do something to give back. I was very fortunate to have had some of the opportunities that I had. I left Liberia right before the war started, lived in, 4 different countries before I settled here for school. My father was an ambassador. He was a diplomat for over 10 years, and so we got the opportunity to travel all around the world and visit different countries and live in different countries as well. So I was blessed with that opportunity, and I always knew that I wanted to do something to give back. I just never knew what. And finally, when the opportunity came about for me to help this young man, I took advantage of it. And out of that, this organization started from just a simple gesture of paying a young man's education. Just seeing the impact that I was able to have on one person's life definitely inspires me to want to keep doing more to affect even more lives. It really doesn't take much, like I say, and it's very, very fulfilling to see the difference that you can make and help, change the world and make it a better place.